In this video, we're going to see how to send money from Western Union app to bank account. Firstly, open the Western Union app on your phone and log in to your account. Tap on Pay and Transfer, then select Transfer. Choose the Transfer to Overseas option. Now select the destination country where the recipient's bank account is located. Enter the amount you want to send, then choose the preferred currency for the transfer. Select Western Union as the mode of transfer and fill in the recipient's bank account details including full name, bank name, account number or IBAN, or any additional required info that specific country. Just tap Transfer. Request a transaction authorization code when prompted and confirm the transaction. You will receive a confirmation message once the transfer is successful. And that's it, guys.